Ryan's going to try one of these Dynasties. There we go. I like the tape on this. I like the tape a lot better than other tape. One on top, 5 on bottom, Ryan. Which one did you want to try? One on top, there are no numbers on them, so it's 1 on top, 5 on bottom. Thanks, Cardsy. Number 4, so right there. Shh. I'll just number them on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I was getting ready to dump it. Dang, nice looking card here. The patches in this stuff are going to be pretty tight. 6 of 10, John Smoltz. There's the patch. 6 of 10. I keep wanting to dump it out like it's a pack. I keep forgetting it's just one hit. Nice looking card. John Smoltz, 6 of 10. There you go. Alrighty. Thanks there, Ryan H. I'll get on the way, buddy.